Did you know the capybara is the world's largest rodent? These adorable animals are native to South America and are known for their chill vibes and love of water. Capybaras are social butterflies. They can often be found hanging out with birds, monkeys, and even cats. They have a knack for making friends with everyone. Their diet? Mostly grass and aquatic plants. Talk about keeping it green. Capybaras live in groups, and family is everything to them. You'll often see them grooming each other and cuddling. Want to see more about these amazing creatures? Hit that like button and subscribe for more animals in 60 seconds shorts.